Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, what's up? My name is Charlene Tam. We talk all things health, fitness, beauty, lifestyle. We talk all the things because those are the things that gets this girl right here through chronic pain and chronic illness. And let me tell you what, this video is one of my favorite videos. I have been so excited to film this very video. I could not sleep because I'm so excited about this video. I have filmed lots of inspirational videos in the past. I will link some in the description box down below, but this one is very near and dear to my heart because we're going on a whole new journey this year, and I have not been so excited to start a new year in a very long time. So if you're here for it, if you're ready to make some changes in your life, if you're ready to do the whole picture, we're not just focusing on the little teeny tiny things, we're focusing big picture here. If you guys are ready to focus on the whole picture, go ahead and leave me a little hands up emoji down below because I want to support you. Go follow me on Instagram. I'm at the Sick Fit Chick. We're going to do a lot of support and encouragement over there. If this is content that you guys like to see, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe because it really supports my channel. Don't forget, a little like goes a long way in the YouTube algorithm, and this girl so appreciates it. If you hit that little notification bell, you'll never miss another video with this girl right here because it'll send you a notification when my next video comes out. And without further ado, let's dive in to this video. You guys, I am so excited. Okay guys, where do we even begin? Happy New Year. I get that you guys aren't seeing this for a little while. I needed to take a little bit of a break in the new year just because all the filming in December and editing, I felt like I didn't get a ton of time with my family, which is kind of a drag during the holidays. I mean, I was editing on Christmas and I filmed on Christmas Eve. I just needed a break. I needed to spend some time with my family. So thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for still being here and supporting me and allowing me that rest. Part of that break I took to plan content for you guys this year, and I am so excited for the content that is coming this year, you guys. It's gonna be a good year. It's gonna be a good year. I'm excited. What I am so excited about is that this year, my whole vision board, my whole vibe, when I did my brain dump of like what I really wanted to see, I wanted an overall health. I normally go into the new year with body goals. I mean, how many of us go into the new year with body goals? I want to lose 10 pounds. I want to have a six pack. I want to be blah, blah, blah. It's the countdown to summer. How many weeks until summer? How many weeks do I have to lose the weight that I gained during here? And I'm letting that go. I'm letting that go. And we're thinking whole picture here. Mind, body, and soul. I want to feel good from the inside out. I want to move my body because I love my body and because it makes me feel good. I want to eat good, nutritious foods because it makes my body feel good. I want to read books that are making me grow, who are making me a better person. I want to fully embody what I really want to be. I am tired of saying, well, I'm not who I want to be. Well, girl, you haven't done the work to be the person that you want to be yet. You got to keep learning. You got to keep growing. You got to keep doing the things, challenging yourself. So I was looking at what was going on and what wasn't working last year. And for me personally, what wasn't working was that I planned content and I filmed content, but I never gave myself a break. And so it was like I'd film content and I'd edit, and then I would upload everything, and then I would film, and then I would edit, and then I would upload. And it got to a place where I had so many videos that I filmed that I never even got to upload because it was taking too long to edit, and then they were irrelevant or it was too late and it was a big waste of time. And also you guys missed out on a lot of really great content, and I missed out on a lot of really great time with my family because I failed to plan, and when you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So this year, we are planning. We're gonna get ahead of the game. My goal is to upload twice a week consistently this year. That is my goal. Something else that really was weighing me down last year is all of the notifications. Like, I love you guys and I love being present on Instagram and I love checking YouTube and responding to comments. But when I look at my phone and I have all these little red notifications on your email and YouTube and Instagram and I could never keep up, it was just stressing me out, and I was constantly looking at my phone. Like, I'd be with Liv and I'd be checking my phone because I couldn't let it go, because if there was a notification on there and Anybody else like that? I'm so like that. I don't like the notifications. So I took some time, and if you guys wanna talk about how I did this, and I'll do a screen recording of what my phone looks like because it is so beautiful. It is so zen. Because of the way I did it, it will not show the little red marks. So my anxiety has already gone down. I've got a little quote on there that says, you know, to stay present in the moment. And that is already helping, and it's only been a day, because if I check my phone, I'm like, oh yeah, that's right, turn this off. I want to be present. That is my goal. So I'm super excited about that. I created a beautiful vision board that's on my desktop that is, oh, it's gorgeous. I love it. It's already inspiring me to do so much. I'm gonna make a physical vision board just because I want to put my vision board somewhere else. I also used my phone to create a vision board, so it's visually aesthetic, and it's got encouragement things. It's got things that I really want to work towards on there. So if you guys are interested in how I created my vision boards, all 3 of them, let me know in the comments down below, because I would love to film that for you. It makes my heart so happy, and I'm just so incredibly inspired. I did some journaling. I have asked friends, and I've looked up some books that I really want to read. So I will have a list of books that I'm planning on reading. With all of that being said, I'm starting a series. This is going to be the Mind, Body, and Soul series. We are going to do a check-in every single month, because I want to read a new book every single month that I get to grow in some way, whether it's financial, learning something else about nutrition or fitness, or more information about SIBO and gut issues. I am going to challenge myself to find new recipes and new things that make my body feel good. I want to find movement in a way that makes my body feel good. I have been in a flare for the better part of 4 months now, and I think I'm finally coming back out of it. I thought I was out of it. I started working out really heavy again because that's what I love to do, guys. I fall into that trap every time. And December, to be completely honest, hand on my heart, I don't think I worked out once. I may have done a couple yoga videos, and that's it. Because my body is so tired. But what I also realized is my body is so tired of sitting. You know, when I'm in a psoriatic arthritis flare, I'm tired and I can't work out, but then sitting is really painful, and it's not good for my body either. So this month, January, Yoga with Adrian is doing a 30-day move program, and I cry every time. The last 2 videos, because we started yesterday, it's exactly what I need right now, and I absolutely love it. I will link it in the description box down below because it's gonna be so good. I need to get back to just, my strength is so low right now. I've hardly worked out in months, and so my core is really weak and my muscles are really weak, and so I'm just starting from the bottom and being kind to myself and being gentle with myself. So moving with intention, reading with intention, and just being more present, being in the moment and working towards my goals, instead of getting to the end of the year and going, oh my goodness, I feel like I didn't accomplish the things that I wanted to accomplish. And also finally taking this seriously. Let me tell you, I take everything I do very seriously, but I have not allowed myself to believe that this could be something really great, because I didn't believe in myself, and I'm throwing that disbelief and that thought just out of here. We're getting rid of that, and I am so excited to make things happen and do some really fun things this year. So I'm not gonna do them all right. They're not all gonna be perfect at the beginning, but you just gotta try and start and learn and grow, and I hope you guys come along this journey with me, because you guys are the best. This is the best community ever, and I so appreciate each and every one of you. So January, this month, I am doing the Yoga with Adrian 30-day move program, which I'm so excited to do yoga every single day for 30 days. It's been beautiful. I'm so excited. I've got a new book called, let me pull it up because I'm super excited about it. the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People in my Amazon shopping cart that I'm going to be having sent to me this week, which I am so excited about. My good friend Emma recommended it to me and I am so excited. So stay tuned because we're going to do a check-in every single month and I'll tell you what I'm learning and I will tell you how I'm using that knowledge, what I've gained from that book, if I think it's worth reading. And because I'm waiting for that, I pulled the body book back out. This book changed the way I looked at my body. This is the body book by Cameron Diaz. I've talked about it in several different videos, but if you guys have not read this book, it's a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend it. It breaks down food and your body and the systems of your body and movement and exercise, and it just made me fall in love with my body and it made things make sense. And I want to go back through because I have, like, guys, I've got notes. I've highlighted like half. Oh my goodness, look at this, you guys. This is so cute. This is a picture of me and my little brother. That's so cute. Yeah, come see. This is a picture of me and your Uncle Kenny from when I was little. I was probably 6 in that picture. I've highlighted all over this. This is probably one of my favorite parts, is how to love your hunger. I'm just going to go back through this book and read all of my things, take some notes. I'm going to keep a journal every single night, do my gratitude journaling, and then write a little excerpt about what I read and what I learned that day, because it's really going to help me. So I'm planning on reading in the morning and then I'll write what I learned from that, because I want to read books that I'm learning from and that I'm growing from. And there's so much information in the body book and I feel like it's a really great way to start the year with that book. So that is my plan for this month. If you guys want to know how I created my mood boards and my vision boards, let me know in the comments down below because I would love to film that for you. Stay tuned for episode 2 coming next month. I will tell you all the things that I learned this month, how I'm feeling. We'll do body check-in. We'll do, we're going to talk about all the things. Mind, body, and soul, because you guys, I'm finally choosing to love myself, and this is how I'm choosing how to do it. I am so tired of trying to make myself the smallest version of myself by losing weight and being less and being quieter and being smaller. I want to live to my full potential and I'm ready to unlock that. So if you guys want to come along this journey with me, I would love to have you guys here. If this was content that you guys like to see, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. And if you made it to this part of the video, if you made it to the end and you're not already subscribed, go hit a little love tap on that subscribe button. Come join the fam. I would love to have you here. I have a lot of really fun content coming for you. If you hit that little notification bell, you'll never miss another video with this girl right here, because it'll send you a notification when my next video comes out. And that's it for today's video, you guys. I am so excited to go on this journey with you, and I will see you guys in the next one.